Dear all, welcome to the Karma Cleanse workshop. This is a WhatsApp driven workshop spanning across 5 days. In each day, you will receive content related to knowledge, action, and reflection. In the knowledge section, you will receive a specific wisdom related to karma from astro point of view. This will help you to better understand the karmic patterns in your life from astro point of view. The next section is the action section. Here, you will be asked to perform a ritual across 2 time windows each day. This we will be starting from tomorrow. More understanding on why this time period and what to do are coming shortly. The third section is the reflection. This section talks more about easy to apply formulas called Karma Sutras. These Karma Sutras are nothing but condensed wisdom inspired from Shiva's teachings. These are easy to apply and very pragmatic. Gaining deeper realization into these Karma Sutras will help you to lead a freedom way of leading life. Not alone this, we have got Zoom webinar and we will also be teaching you 2 potent techniques for karma cleansing and many more transformational insights as well. Har Har Mahadev.